Are you tired of relying on outdated information and questionable stock tips, frustrated with endless research and confusing market charts? It's a common issue that plagues many investors, isn't it? The world of investing can often feel like a maze, filled with endless turns and dead ends. But what if there was a way to navigate this labyrinth with ease, guided by the expert advice of seasoned professionals? That's where Capitalist Partners come into play. They're not just another investing platform, a dedicated team of experienced traders and brokers committed to helping you maximize your investing potential. No more sifting through outdated information, no more second-guessing your decisions based on unreliable stock tips, and no more trying to make sense of those complex market charts. With Capitalist Partners, you gain access to a world of professional trading and brokerage tailored to your financial goals. So take a deep breath, relax, and say, "Welcome to Capitalist Partners, your partner in achieving your financial goals." Make a comment below if you want me to send you a link where you can join this secret list. Don't miss out on these amazing trade insights. Imagine having a team of experienced traders and brokers guiding you every step of your investment journey. Just picture it. A world where you're no longer alone in the often confusing and convoluted realm of stock trading. This isn't some far-off dream. It's a reality, and it's accessible to you right now with Capitalist Partners, here to revolutionize your trading experience. With Capitalist Partners, you'll be getting a team of seasoned professionals at your disposal, providing you with insights and advice that are usually the reserve of Wall Street elites. No more sifting through piles of outdated information or hinging your financial future on questionable stock tips. Capitalist Partners are here to offer clear, concise, and most importantly, current advice tailored to your financial objectives. At Capitalist Partners, you will see the power of professional trading. Why? Because it works. It's proven, it's strategic, and it's the key to unlocking your investing potential. Not just giving you fish. Capitalist Partners teaching you how to fish in the vast ocean of financial markets. Every week you'll receive emails from their experts. These aren't your run-of-the-mill generic newsletters. No, these are meticulously curated, packed with trade and stock recommendations that align with your specific financial goals. This will give you trading insights and personalized, hand-picked information delivered straight to your inbox. It's like having a personal financial advisor who's always on call, ready to guide you towards sound investment decisions. With Capitalist Partners, you're not just getting a service, you're joining a community of like-minded individuals who are all on a mission to elevate their financial future. You're not just a client, you're a partner. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to strategic professional trading. It's time to harness the full power of professional trading and brokerage with Capitalist Partners. Are you ready to take your investing game to the next level? Overwhelmed by managing your investment portfolio? Capitalist Partners got you covered. Welcome to the intuitive, user-friendly platform of Capitalist Partners, designed to sweep away the investing cobwebs and make your financial journey a breeze. Their platform is a one-stop shop for everything you need to become a savvy investor. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees and scheduling hassles. Within their platform, you'll find a wealth of real-time market data at your disposal. No more fumbling through multiple websites or apps to keep up with the financial world. With just a few clicks, you can keep your finger on the pulse of the market. But that's not all. Their platform doesn't just provide information, it helps you understand it. Say goodbye to confusing market charts and cryptic financial jargon. Get ready for insights in a way that anyone can understand. Whether you're a Wall Street veteran or a newbie just dipping your toes into the investing pool. And what about tracking your portfolio's performance? Their platform offers a comprehensive and easy-to-understand view of your investments. You can see how your portfolio is performing, identify trends, and make informed decisions to maximize your returns. In short, their platform is designed to put you in the driver's seat of your financial future. It's about empowering you with the tools, insights, and confidence to make your investments work harder and smarter. Capitalist Partners puts the power of managing your investments right at your fingertips. So why wait? It's time to step up your investing game. Let's make your investments work harder for you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, Capitalist Partners is here for you. Let that sink in for a moment. This is not just a catchphrase, it's a promise that we stand by. They designed their platform to be inclusive, catering to all types of investors. For the beginners out there, they understand that the world of investing can seem like an uncharted territory. That's why Capitalist Partners are here to guide you along every step of the way. Their platform simplifies complex financial jargon into easy-to-understand language. They provide you with the essential tools and resources to make informed investment decisions. Their team of experienced traders and brokers are always available to answer any questions you might have. For the seasoned investors, Capitalist Partners offer advanced features that can help you optimize your investing strategy. Capitalist Partners understand that you have a keen eye for opportunities and the appetite to take calculated risks. Capitalist Partners provides you with real-time market data and analytics to help you make the most of these opportunities. Their experts will provide you with weekly trade and stock recommendations tailored to your financial goals. At Capitalist Partners, there is a strong belief in the power of professional trading and brokerage. They bring you a wealth of knowledge and experience that spans decades. Their team of seasoned traders and brokers have navigated through various market conditions, and they're here to share their insights with you. So regardless of where you are in your investment journey, Capitalist Partners is here to help you achieve your financial goals faster. So are you ready to take the leap and join a platform that truly understands your needs? Are you ready to make your investments work harder for you? If so, then it's time to look in the description of this video and see what it's all about. Ready to step up your investing game? Capitalist Partners is here to help you take control of your financial future. Not just a trading platform, we're a team of seasoned professionals ready to guide you every step of the way. Say goodbye to outdated information and questionable stock tips. With expertly curated weekly emails, you'll be equipped with trade and stock recommendations tailored to your financial goals. Imagine what it's like when professionals are by your side, helping you make your investments work harder and smarter. Isn't it time you experienced a user-friendly platform designed to make investing a breeze? Remember to look in the description of this video. I have a special gift for you. A limited offer. Join the list and start getting amazing trade insights for just $1. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more valuable investing insights. Make a comment below if you have any questions.